Yo, join me as I make Greek yogurt and granola for my parfait and drinking yogurt as well. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step on everything I did to get this result. And then I'll also show you how I used my
Ta-da!
home items to achieve these. I used bananas, cinnamon powder, dates, white oats, apples, flax seeds, chia seeds to make this granola, as well as cashew nuts. For my Greek yogurt, or should I say general yogurt, I started by measuring out 20 cups of milk, full cream milk. You need to use full cream milk, not filled cream.
Yes.
I measured out 20 cups of milk, 20
Mm,
cups of cold water, like not really cold, should I say room temperature water, 20 cups, and then I stirred regular rigorously. So I used this my wedding gift from my family. This cooler is almost 8 years, no, more than 8 years. So I used it to make this. So after stirring the milk and the room temperature water, the same measurement, the next is to add hot water, like water that has been boiling 100 degrees Celsius. You measure out 20 because I used 20 cups of milk. I used 20 cups of room temperature water and 20 cups of boiling water. Then I mixed thoroughly, rigorously, completely. If you have a mixer, you can make use of your mixer while mixing this, because mixing this with my hand wasn't an easy task. Okay, now this is me doing the 10 seconds test. You do this 10-second test to make sure that the water is not too hot, that you can bear the pain of the hotness. Now, after that, you get in with your culture, and this Yugomet culture is the one that I used to get my results. So you open up the Yugomet culture, put it in a cup, take some milk, already mixed milk, put it in the cup already and stir. Make sure you stir properly, then you pour it inside your milk. Okay, that's what I'm doing right here. You pour it and voila, you're done. Okay, so almost 50% of the job done. If you're able to get up to this point, make sure your mixture is not too hot. You can actually use a thermometer, or you do this 10 second test that I used. Alternatively, there are two ways to do this. You can pour in your hot water first before your cold water. But when you pour in your hot water, you are more likely to get lumps in your mixture. That means you have to sieve it so that your yogurt will be free of lumps. At this point, I'm done with this part and I need to cover it. In fact, if you know the best way to cover your yogurt mixture for fermentation, just do it. So, this is the best way I thought of. I got this, covered it, sealed it up thoroughly, and then covered with the um, cooler cover to make sure everywhere is hot, 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 hot. This is should I say, I think 1 kilo, approximately plus or minus 1 kilo of 1 kg of milk powder. Mm-hmm. That's what I used, and I was hoping to get, something nice, huge, and wonderful. Mind you, this is my first time trying out this homemade yogurt by myself on my own. So I covered this up. I needed something warm, so I got my duvet. Yep, I got it, wrapped it up thoroughly, you know, to make sure that all the heats are preserved and fermentation process could go well. A few moments later, should I say a few moments later? I'll be 10 hours later. Okay, this is 10 hours later.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, so this is it.
Damn. Oh my god. I just made a yogurt. Anyway. Jesus Christ.
This is so creamy. So creamy. So, because I needed Greek yogurt, I strained. Yes, I strained parts. I needed two parts drinking yogurt and Greek yogurt for my parfait. So I strained half of it and left half as it was. And I even added the whey that came out from the Greek yogurt into the drinking yogurt to make it more watery. I fermented for 10 hours. You can actually leave your own up to 12 to 14 hours. And the more hours you culture, the more fermented or sour taste it gives you. So everyone has their own choice, preference as to what they want. This is actually what I want. So, as I was training this, I needed the water to be going directly to the drinking yogurt. That was why I made it into this pattern. Omo, to open this thing, come dey turn wahala. O. Which kind wahala be this? Finally, depending on how thick you want your Greek yogurt to be, that will determine how long you allow it to strain. Now, I've seen some people straining more and adding back their whey, but I don't want to strain so much. I strained a little so that I can get the consistency I want for my parfait. Then, after doing this, I turned again to have a very smooth outcome and I put it into the fridge. You can place it into your fridge immediately or you can place it after. At this point, you can see how thick it is, thicker than it was. At this point, you can place it in your refrigerator or freezer for just few minutes. The colder it gets, the thicker it becomes. But as for me, I just want to, dish them in a way that I'll consume later. So this is it. Enjoy the rest of the video.
my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a tool? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my call. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh Lord, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been through, times I've been through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls who love you like I do, can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.